Day or night, the job continues without pause. This is the time of the welcome to the world of unstoppable machines, roaring chainsaws, and fearless lumberjacks. This is where giant trees fall and raw lumber is transformed. Let the logging action begin. Welcome to Sawmasters. As the forest sleeps, the Ecolog 590E awakens. Its powerful headlights pierce the darkness, revealing a landscape ready for harvest. This is no ordinary machine, it's a night hunter. With every movement, it rips, slices, and processes with unmatched precision. Working silently but efficiently, it transforms dense woodland into clean-cut timber. Mounted on the Ecolog 590E is the LogMax 7000C, a powerhouse cutting head designed for tough timber. In just seconds, it clamps around a tree, spins its saw, and brings it down with ease. Every cut is clean, and every second counts. Its strength, intelligence, and engineering all in one. The 590E is not bothered by cold, darkness, or rough terrain. This machine was built for harsh conditions. From uneven forest floors to steep slopes, it maintains balance and flow. Day or night, the job continues without pause. This is the kind of reliability loggers want. Forestry is no longer great tools, it's precision. The Ecolog 590E handles each tree with calculated methods. Sensors and hydraulics work together to measure, cut, and store the weight. No wasted motion, no room for error. It's a smart system that makes every harvest smarter and more profitable. With a 5mm it keeps going, with a strong grip and reliable connection. It maneuvers through the toughest spots with ease. Where other machines pause, this one power built tight, built to last, built to live. This isn't just pre-power, it's a new era of power. Machines like the EcoLog 598 7000 are changing how forests are harvested. Faster, safer, and more sustainable. With fewer workers, more automation, productivity surges. The forest industry has evolved, and this machine is the way. Welcome to this incredible journey deep into the forest, where the John Deere 1470G harvester is hard at work. This powerful forestry machine is designed to handle the toughest environments, cutting and processing large trees with speed and precision. Equipped with an advanced harvester head, the 1470G grips the trunk firmly, saws it at the base, and processes it on the spot. Each movement is controlled by a skilled operator inside the climate-controlled cabin, using state-of-the-art technology to guide every cut. Watch as the machine selects, fells, limbs, and cuts trees into preset lengths with remarkable efficiency. It can handle multiple tree species and sizes, even on uneven terrain. The harvester works quickly, reducing human labor and improving SAFIT. The 1470G uses a highly fuel-efficient engine with low emissions, making it environmentally responsible. Its articulated frame and six-wheel design offer stability and maneuverability even on muddy or rocky ground. This machine also features Timbermatic maps and Timber Manager software, allowing real-time data tracking. The operator can see where trees have been felled and plan the most efficient routes through the forest. Despite its power, the John Deere 1470G is designed to minimize ground disturbance. It moves through the forest with care, leaving a lighter footprint than traditional logging methods. As we wrap up, it's clear the John Deere 1470G is more than just a machine. It's a symbol of modern, responsible forestry. Built for performance, precision, and sustainability, it represents the future of logging technology. Amid the quiet depths of the forest, the Malwa 980 harvester makes its way like a machine from the future. Compact yet powerful, the Malwa 980 is the perfect solution for logging operations in dense forests and difficult terrains. The hydraulic crane extends, and the specialized harvester head gently grips the tree trunk. In an instant, the high-speed rotating saw blade slices cleanly through the base, bringing the tree down swiftly and safely. Once the tree is felled, the Malwa 980 immediately begins processing. The trunk is pulled through the delimbing unit, quickly removing all branches and foliage. Then, the log is cut into precise, even segments, ready for transport. Despite working in challenging forest environments, the Malwa 980 operates smoothly and efficiently thanks to its optimized tracked wheel system and fuel-efficient engine. The operator sits in a modern, shock-proof cabin equipped with touchscreen controls and wide-angle windows for maximum visibility and accuracy. This machine not only boosts productivity but also ensures worker safety and minimizes environmental impact. Malwa 980, a smart, sustainable logging solution for the 21st century. In the heart of the forest, the TimberPro TB630 roars to life, powerful, precise, and unstoppable. With every movement, it grips, cuts, and processes massive trees in seconds. Beside it, the TimberPro TDS22 moves with surgical precision, clearing the path and preparing timber like clockwork. These machines aren't just harvesting wood, they're redefining efficiency in modern forestry. Deep in the forest, the calm is broken by the powerful hum of machines. The TimberPro TB630 comes into view, its massive arm reaching out like a mechanical predator. Within seconds, it grabs a towering tree, slices through its base, and gently lays it down. Precision meets brute force. Right behind, The Timber Pro TDS22 works in perfect harmony. With its robust grapple, it clears away trunks and limbs, preparing timber for transport. The duo moves with rhythm, almost like a dance. One fells, one gathers. Efficiency is no longer just a goal, it's the standard. Switching scenes, we're introduced to the Valmet 911.3, armed with the LogMax 6000 harvester head. This isn't just a machine, it's a powerhouse of control and capability. Watch as it tackles massive hardwoods with ease. The saw blade spins, bites, and finishes each cut cleanly, while hydraulic arms strip away branches in a smooth flow of motion. Even the largest trees are no match. The LogMax 6000 pulls each log through like it's nothing, measuring, trimming, and processing all in one continuous action. Inside the operator's cabin, every motion is guided by a fingertip, with advanced controls and full visibility. Kranman 620s, compact, agile, and surprisingly powerful. Deep in the forest, this Swedish-built harvester shows that size isn't everything. Designed for thinning and small to medium-scale logging, the 620s glides effortlessly through narrow paths where larger machines can't go. Watch as the operator maneuvers the crane with pinpoint accuracy. The hydraulic arm reaches out, and the harvester head grips the tree with confidence. A quick spin of the saw, and the tree falls exactly where intended. No mess, no waste. Next, the Kranman 620 strips branches with impressive speed. The delimbing knives move smoothly, leaving behind a clean, ready-to-transport log. With every tree processed, the forest remains orderly and minimally disturbed. This is selective logging done right. Despite its compact size, the 620s is built tough. The all-terrain wheels and low ground pressure system allow it to move over soft soil and slopes with ease. Its fuel-efficient engine delivers consistent performance, making it ideal for eco-sensitive forestry work. The cabin may be small, but it's fully enclosed and designed for comfort. Inside, the operator enjoys full visibility and intuitive controls, turning hours of work into a smooth and focused operation. Whether you're managing private woodland or working on a commercial thinning project, the Kranman 620s proves that forestry can be smart, gentle, and efficient. It's not just harvesting, it's sustainable forest management in action. Watch the Nisula N5 in action, its six-wheel drive gliding over uneven forest ground with ease. The P9NG crane extends swiftly, locking onto a tree with pinpoint accuracy. In just seconds, the harvester head slices cleanly through the trunk, strips branches, and cuts precise log lengths, all in one seamless motion. Designed for thinning in tight spaces, the N5 minimizes soil damage while maximizing productivity. It's compact, powerful, and built for real-world forestry challenges. Deep within the forest, the Nisula N5 roars to life. With a firm hydraulic grip, it seizes a towering tree, slicing it clean at the base in one swift motion. In seconds, the powerful head strips the branches and cuts the trunk into perfect logs. It's a display of raw strength and modern precision, turning a massive tree into ready-to-use timber with surgical speed. This is forestry redefined. In the heart of the forest, the H11D harvester moves steadily over uneven terrain. Its massive tires grip the ground firmly as it approaches a tall tree. The hydraulic arm extends, locking onto the trunk with a powerful clamp. In a matter of seconds, the saw activates, a clean, swift cut at the base. The entire tree is lifted effortlessly. Without pause, the cutting head begins stripping branches as the trunk slides through. Each section is trimmed and cut into precise log lengths, ready for loading. The operator inside the cab stays fully in control, using a joystick to rotate the machine and align with the next tree. The cabin is enclosed, keeping out dust and noise while offering a clear view through large glass panels. Tree after tree, the H11D performs like clockwork: cut, strip, measure, and drop. The forest floor stays remarkably clean, with logs neatly stacked or dropped in line. No chainsaws, no teams on foot, just one operator and one machine doing the work of many. This is forestry reimagined, safer, faster, and more efficient. The H11D isn't just a machine. It's a mobile harvesting system that brings industrial-grade precision into the heart of nature. The John Deere 903K roars to life in the middle of the forest. With its strong steel arm and sharp saw head, it grabs a towering tree and cuts it clean at the base in seconds. As the tree falls, the operator rotates and moves on to the next, fast, powerful, and precise. Built for rough terrain, the 903K climbs over logs and uneven ground with ease, showing off its strength and stability. It's not just a machine, it's a one-man tree-cutting team, designed to harvest faster and safer than ever before. This is the Komatsu 911.6 in action, a powerful 10-meter reach harvester working deep in the forest. With its C123 cutting head, it grips a tall spruce tree and slices it clean at the base in seconds. As the trunk is lifted, branches are stripped automatically, and the log is cut into perfect lengths. Designed for precision and power, the Komatsu moves smoothly over uneven terrain, making tree harvesting fast, efficient, and safe. The operator inside the cab has full control with just a joystick, while the machine handles the heavy work. It's not just forestry, it's high-tech timber harvesting in motion.